Reverend Jeru Paul Dumangong, Chief Executive Officer of Mercy Sustainable Humanitarian Foundation International, on the occasion of the graduation ceremony of the first batch of our tailoring students and launching of this organization, Mercy Sustainable Humanitarian Foundation International, today, the 24th of April 2021. The chairman, Saruna Local Government, in absentia, here represented by Lema, His Royal Highness, the First Class Chief of Mambila, the Dambram Mambila, the security personnel present, civil and religious leaders, Wakili, Jauros, and Maingwasia present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor and privilege to welcome you all to this wonderful ceremony of today. I welcome you with open hearts and welcome you with open arms. Before I go ahead, I will want to give you some details on the Mercy Sustainable Humanitarian Foundation. This organization is registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission of the Federal Republic of Nigeria with the registration number CAC IT number 146011 as a corporate body. Also, the Saruna Local Government Social Services Development has accorded to this organization a certificate of registration under subsection 104 of the Saruna Local Government Gazette. We have been seeking as an organization to improve lives, reduce poverty, and build the productive capacity of the vulnerable persons to meet their situations without compromising posterity from meeting theirs. In line with these objectives, we have so far been able to record the following successes. 1. We have successfully carried out a water project here in the rest house quarters. Up there, you can see the tank, and the tank is constructed down there. You will hear some last year to commission the water, and we are here again today. 2. We have donated farm tools to over 500 widows in Warkaka, Nduyaji, Ngoroji, Kakakwata, Furmi, and Mbo. We have constructed 4 classrooms at Inkiri village, plastered, painted, and made benches that they are using the school already. 4. We have been running a vocational training center where we train orphans, widows, and vulnerable in hairdressing, dressmaking, ICT, for which some are graduating today. We have given scholarship to a less privileged in both government and private schools. We have carried out a series of medical outreaches in several villages, including Inkiri, Wakaka, Legitaba, and Furmi. We have successfully carried out unity football tournament here in Gembu to promote unity and peace while keeping the youth away from crime. We have carried out food donation to several vulnerable persons across the Saruna local government. Ladies and gentlemen, we have more in the making. Yet at this point, we want to thank God for using us. We appeal to you for cooperation and prayers so that we continue to be a blessing to the vulnerable in the society. Standing on the existing protocol, I want to say that today we celebrate the joy of bringing hope to the hopeless, the joy of improving lives, the joy of moving humanity better as we graduate 5 of our tailoring students into the labor market. We have given them skills. We release them to be a blessing to the society and increase and multiply. Our doors are open to receive and train more. We need to empower more persons. Interested persons should contact us immediately so that we admit them and start off with training them. Once again, we welcome you for coming to grace this occasion. Thanks. Reverend Paul Jumango, Chief Executive Officer, Mercy Sustainable Humanitarian Foundation. God bless you.